comfortable.
Got him okay. Got him in the bottle.
Put the bottle right here. No, put it right here.
Hey, yo, this is KidMoney. Fucking with Big Broski. He took me for $100. I'm gonna get him, though. He keep talking that shit. He don't even care about what I'm doing. He's comfortable as a motherfucker right now. Cause his pockets is fat. I'm about to strip him naked and pour water on him, though. And he don't even care. Bro, we getting crazy tonight? What'd you say?
Oh, you're like Old Spice.